Okay, here I go, guys. Got my little boom. And now I'm going to try and pull myself up to play with the stuff that I shouldn't be playing with. Joey, Jojo, here I go. Get me go. There I go. Daddy's up, Jojo.
It turns a heavy flagstone that sits on top of another stone inside the mill.
Oh, I get it. Millstones.
Right, Scrambler. So when you put grain between the grinding millstones, they crush it into flour.
Brilliant. Oh,
There I go.
Not so fast, Dizzy. I'll need to check
Joey.
the safe first. The wooden floor's rotten. It'll all need replacing. Uh-oh. The millstone's falling right through to the floor below. Oh, that's weird.
something wrong, Bob.
How my day goes. Jojo,